Hi, I'm Senate President Karen Spilka, and I'm here with my rescue dog, Lincoln. We both want to start off by saying a big thank you to everyone who's keeping us going during this public health crisis, especially including our first responders, our healthcare workers, our grocery store workers, pharmacists, gas station attendants, trash and recycling DPW workers, and to the many, many others who are working through this crisis. I also want to give a big shout out to our teachers who have moved so quickly to help our children learn from home, as well as to our schools who are still working hard to fulfill vital roles in our community. And finally, I'd like to give a big thank you to all of you who are heeding the calling and staying at home and practicing social distancing, which is the best way to keep all of us safe and healthy. I know things are moving so quickly and that there's so many questions as to what might be happening in the coming weeks, in the coming months, as we deal with this pandemic. But I wanted to let you know that the Massachusetts Senate is working harder than ever. We are working hard, first, to safeguard the health and safety of all of our residents, and second, to take steps to deal with the immediate economic fallout of this public health crisis. So thus far, we have taken steps to do things like passed an emergency funding bill to directly help our Department of Public Health and our local boards of health. We have passed a bill to waive the waiting period for unemployment benefits for those affected by this crisis and get money in their pockets more quickly. We've passed a bill to allow nurses and pharmacists to help on the front line of healthcare. And we've postponed municipal elections and town meetings, and we've developed a very robust mail-in ballot so that we can protect our elections and our democracy while still keeping our residents safe. And lastly, I just want to mention, to remind folks that we extended the tax filing deadline, the income tax filing deadline, from April 15th to July 15th. And we will continue to work very closely with the Baker administration, the House of Representatives, as well as our federal and state government partners to understand the needs of our residents, our businesses, and our municipalities and communities. So we stand ready to take action quickly when needed. I know this is a difficult time, but we are Massachusetts, and we will get through this crisis together. So I hope all of you are staying well and staying healthy, and I hope you're checking in with your friends, your neighbors, your loved ones, particularly if you have an older or frail neighbor. Please, if you're going to the grocery store or pharmacy, touch base with them beforehand, see if they need a little something, and if you could pick it up, drop it at their doorway, and then just leave so they can get it. So you continue your social distancing, but please remember to help each other out. So take care, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon.